Hi, David here. I help Gen Xers stop worrying about retirement and start living life on their terms by teaching them how to build an automated online business working just 2 hours a day. So today, guys, I want to talk about the time for money trap. Now, most people earn money only when they're actively working. So whether it be an hourly wage, a salary, or freelance gigs, that's when they get paid. Their income is directly tied to the ability to work. If they don't work, they don't get paid. Makes sense, right? Now, this model limits financial freedom because income is restricted by time availability. Now, there are only 24 hours in a day, and people can only work so many of them. Over time, or side hustles may increase earnings slightly, but they're still required additional hours. Now, salary jobs may seem stable, but raises and promotions are slow, and there's always a cap on the earning potential. No matter how hard you work, you can only make to that point, right? There's a ceiling, and it's not a glass ceiling that you can break through. You're stuck right there. When you get to the top, you are at the top. Now, if a person gets sick or they're injured or need time off, their income stops and significantly decreases. Now, layoffs and company downsizings can wipe out income overnight. And right now we're seeing that all over the place, right? We're seeing businesses close the door all of a sudden. We're seeing multi-level marketing companies changing their comp plans. We're seeing things change so quickly nowadays. This leaves workers financially vulnerable. Retirement becomes a major concern because traditional jobs don't provide passive streams of income. If you're working in a job for 40 years and you're thinking, this is how I'm going to retire in that, and then all of a sudden they close the door, well, there goes your retirement as well, right? I mean, you're going to start using that to start supplementing your income until you can find something else. Now, many people work hard and only make enough to cover their bills, leaving little room for savings and enjoyment, right? That's just the reality of things. For most people, they put in 40, 50, maybe even 60 hours a week. And at the end of the month, they barely have enough money left over for themselves. They want to try to save for retirement, or they want to go out and enjoy the weekend, or, they want to do something. They've really got to be careful where they put their money because there's not a lot of it left at the end of a month. And I get that. Inflation and rising costs make it even harder to get ahead financially, right? Again, the way everything is changing right now in the world, it's getting harder. There is no doubt about that. The consistent need to trade time for money creates burnouts, stress, and a sense of helplessness, right? I think we've all been there where we're just like, oh my God, what am I going to do? This is overwhelming. Now, the only way to escape this trap is to build income streams that aren't tied to time. Passive income, automation, and scalable online businesses provide financial security and freedom. So you want to be investing in a system that works for you rather than you working for it. This is the key to your independence. Okay. And I'm hoping this starts to resonate with you. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. I hope that this has been helpful and got you thinking about what else you can do to change your future. I look forward to speaking with you, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care, guys.